My name is Dr. John Bitner. I'm here practicing in Layton, Utah, which is my home. I grew up in this area. I practice facial plastic surgery, which involves plastic and reconstructive procedures of only the head and neck. I went to medical school in Chicago, did my residency at the Mayo Clinic up in Minnesota, and then did my fellowship training down in Birmingham, Alabama. I practice at Tanner Clinic, which is a multi-specialty group that's been in business for almost 100 years now. So kind of the main focus of my practice could be loosely divided into three different areas. The first is rhinoplasty. So I do lots and lots of nose jobs. Again, that's a functional procedure in that obviously we need to breathe through our noses, but it's also very much an aesthetic feature of the face. So combining both the functionality with the aesthetics is very important when it comes to rhinoplasty. Second focus of my practice is facial rejuvenation. So that mainly involves face lifts, brow lifts, upper and lower eyelids, lip augmentation, skin resurfacing, and again, changes that happen generally as we age. And then the final area that I focus on is hair restoration. Hair restoration is a really fun part of my practice because hair is absolutely an aesthetic part of the face. Understanding the aesthetics and artistry of a hairline, very important when it comes to facial analysis, and so it's nice to have that additional aspect to my practice. When you look at motivations that people have for plastic surgical procedures, they vary dramatically. Some people come in and they just have a little tiny bump on their nose, and it bothers them every time they look in the mirror. They're seeing this bump on their nose. Their nose otherwise looks perfect, but they just don't like the look of it. They camouflage it with makeup. Every side photo that's taken of them, they're so self-conscious about it. Very easy procedure to fix. We go in, we file down the little bit of excess bone in the nose, and it makes a dramatic difference. We make a change there, and it's unbelievable how much it changes their look, their persona, their confidence. Really fun. I remember a girl that we had operated on from Wyoming, and she came in timid as could be, huddled up next to her mom, had just this really big nose. I saw her 6 months later after we had done her surgery, and she just had a different air about her. She walks in confident, just ready to attack the world because we had taken something away that really had impacted her self-esteem. Otoplasty is a really fun operation. So everyone knows the child who has its ears just really sticking out. So what we do for that is we make a little incision back behind the ear, and you put some stitches in that just fold those cartilages into place. Now we create natural folds that the person should otherwise have, but because of the lack of these folds, their ears tend to stick out. So we're just creating normal anatomy that should have been there anyway. So the result is very natural looking, but I love looking at the child afterwards, looking at their before and after pictures. So it's a really fun operation. I love the fact that I'm specialized in just the face. We specialize in this area so that I can be the expert and I don't have to be the master of many different things. I can just be the master of this one specific area and all the intricacies related to it. Love what I do and work with wonderful people. My staff are just the best in the world. They care about patients. They care about your result. They care about your recovery. They care about all the little details that is your experience in my office. I give you my cell phone number after you've had surgery so that if you have any questions at any point after the operation, you can text me, you can email me, you can call me on my cell phone. So we really care about you, and we don't just care about your final result, we care about the entire process from beginning to end. Please come in, schedule a consultation. We would love to see you and take care of all the facial aesthetic needs that you have. You can call us or you can go to our website at drjohnbitner.com and click on Schedule a Consultation.